Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.6% against the yen. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 5.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Stocks on global indexes were sharply lower and Treasury yields slid after US data showed consumer spending rose less than expected in May, while price pressures were still strong enough to leave the Federal Reserve on its aggressive policy tightening path. Jacobi Asset Management is launching the first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in Europe through Euronext Amsterdam, the largest exchange to host a spot Bitcoin ETF, according to a report. The euro struggled to regain its footing after tumbling overnight against the resurgent US dollar, which benefited from safe haven demand on renewed worries about higher rates and a global recession.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's HICP will be released at 0900 hours GMT, the Australian trade balance at 0700 GMT, the US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.